it'll get us into July. It'll all depend if we get hot winds and hot weather. The longer it stays this temperature, which is kind of on the average to cool side, it lasts longer. It was a good soaking rain, so wasn't in a downpour. It didn't all come in an hour. It came over like 2.5 days basically. So it's the kind of rain that we like to see because it wasn't a downpour, so it didn't crust anything. It didn't push anything. We had a little bit of wind, but it wasn't enough to do anything serious. So we'll take the rain with the wind because we really needed the rain.